Good morning, students. Yesterday we understand some formulas. Hope है कि आपने सभी ने वो लर्न कर लिए होंगे. Now we understand some another formulas. For example, formula number 10x plus y is equal to 10x plus 10y upon 1 minus 10x 10y. This is the formula. 10x plus y is equal to 10x plus 10y upon 1 minus 10x 10y. So how can you prove this formula? You know that left hand side 10x plus y, 10x plus y. Okay, tan theta, you know, sin theta by cos theta, sin x plus y by cos x plus y. You know very well, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Now can you tell me the formula of sin x plus y? Sin x plus y formula. You know that sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and cos x plus cos y, cos x plus cos y formula. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now divide numerator and denominator by cos x cos y. Divide by this both. Divide numerator and denominator by cos x cos y. Divide numerator and denominator by cos x cos y. Now can you tell me, when you divide this quantity cos x by cos y, when you divide this quantity by this, sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y, then cos y cancel, cos y cancel. So sin x by cos 10x. Now cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y, cos x cos y, then cos x cancel, then sin y by cos y 10y, clear? And cos x cos y divided by cos x cos y 1, sin x sin y divided by cos x cos y, sin x by cos x 10x, sin y by cos y 10y. Clear? This is the formula, simple formula. Clear? Now I can say tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. This is the right hand side. Second formula, tan x minus tan y, tan x minus tan y. That is tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x tan y. Now can you solve this formula? Can you prove this formula? You know that you can prove this formula. Tan x left hand side, tan x minus y, can you write tan x plus minus y, and now use previous formula tan x plus y. Now use previous formula. You can say 10x plus 10 of minus y upon 1 minus 10x into 10 minus y. And you know that already formula 10 of minus y. Think. Earlier I told that is minus 10 y. This is the formula. So in this place you can write minus 10 y. So therefore it will become 10x minus 10 y upon 1. When you write here minus 10 y, so minus 10 y into minus, it will become plus 10x 10 y. So this is right hand side. This is the formula. Both are very important formulae. Clear? Similarly, you can prove cot x plus y. Cot x plus y, that is, you can say cos x plus y upon sin x plus y. Cos by sin. Cos by sin, that is cot, and the formula of cos x plus y, you know very well, cos x plus y formula. That is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y upon sin x plus y. You know that sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. This is the formula. Now divide numerator and denominator by this quantity. Divide numerator and denominator by numerator and denominator by sin x sin y. Divide numerator denominator by this quantity. Now tell me, when we divide this quantity by this quantity, when we divide this quantity by this quantity, you know that cos by sin, that is cot x, cos by sin cot x, and cos y by sin y cot y, that is cot y. When you divide sin x sin y divided by sin x sin y, when you divide this, it becomes 1, and sin x cos y divided by sin x sin y, then sin x cancel when you divide, then cos y divided by sin y, that is cot y, plus when you divide cos x sin y divided by this, then sin cancel, then cos by sin, that is cot x. This is the formula. Cot x plus y. Cot x plus y. Next, similarly you can prove cot x minus y. Cot x minus y. Cot x minus y, that is cot x cot y plus 1 upon cot y minus cot x. Clear? This is cot x minus y. Correct? This is the formula. Cot x minus cot y. Clear? Now can you tell me tan to x formula? Tan x plus y, you know, tan x plus 10y upon 1 minus 10x 10y. With the help of this formula, you can find out 10 to x. 10 to x. 10 to x formula 2 10x upon 1 minus 10 square x. This is the formula. How can you draw the formula? With the help of this, put y is equal to x. Put y is equal to x in this formula. When you put here x, it will become 10 x plus x, that is 10x plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x into 10x. This is the formula. Now simplify. When you know that 10x plus 10x, 10x plus 10x, 2 10x, that is 2 10x upon 1 minus 10x into 10x, 10 square x, 10 square x. So this is the formula of 10 to x, 10 to x. This is the formula of 10 to x. Clear? Now, देखिए yesterday हमने एक फार्मूला स्टडी किया था, cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 and 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. These two formulae कल हमने पढ़े थे ये yesterday. With the help of these two formulae, you can find the formula of sin x plus 5 x by 2 and cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. You can find out these three formulae from this relation. Now first formula sin x by 2. How can you write the formula sin x by 2? You know that cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Therefore, can you write like this? Shift this quantity to the left hand side and this quantity to the right hand side. It becomes 2 sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x. And sin square x by 2, 1 minus cos x by 2. Very simplified. Now taking square root both sides. Taking square root both side. When you take square root both side, it becomes sin x by 2, and this become square root of 1 minus cos x by 2. So this is important formula. Sin x by 2. Sin x by 2, it means you can say square root of 1 minus cos x by 2. This is the formula for sin x by 2. And cos x by 2. Similarly, you can draw the formula cos x by 2. With the help of this, you know that cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. From this formula, tell me what is the value of cos square x by 2. Cos square x by 2. From this relation, you know that 2 cos square x by 2, that is equal to 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x. Shift this quantity to the left hand side. Therefore, cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos x by 2. 1 plus cos x by 2. Therefore cos x by 2, 1 plus cos x upon 2, taking square root both sides. Clear? This is the formula for cos x by 2. Cos 1 plus cos x by 2. Now you want to find the formula of tan x by 2. Tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 you know very well. Sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. Now put the formula of sin x by 2. Put the formula of sin x by 2. This upon this. This upon this. When you simplify it, 2 with 2 cancel. 2 cancel. When you divide, the formula become 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. And the another formula for this, 1 minus cos x by sin x. This is another formula for tan x by 2. How can you find this formula from this relation? From this relation, how can you find? Because you know that 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x, that is tan x by 2. Now multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x. Multiply numerator denominator by 1 minus cos x. You know that 1 minus cos x into 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x whole square. And here a plus b, a minus b. Identity, you know, a plus b, a minus b. When you multiply, then a square minus b square. So it becomes 1 minus cos square x. It minus 1 minus cos x whole square. And this is the formula. You know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Then 1 minus cos square x, it means sin square x. When you simplify, then 1 minus cos x by sin x. This is the formula of sin x by 2. Sin x by 2. So there are two formulae of sin tan x by 2. One is 1 minus cos x by sin x, and the second is square root of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. This is the formula. Now we try to solve another formula. Sin 3x cos 3x tan 3x. Sin 3x cos 3x tan 3x. Sin 3x, next formula, sin 3x, 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. This is the formula of sin 3x. And cos 3x, formula 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is the formula. Clear? How can you prove this formula? You know that sin 3x, you can break sin 2x plus x. Now apply formula sin x plus y. Sin x plus y. Apply this formula. That is sin x cos y and cos x sin y. Clear? Therefore, we want to convert this formula in the form of sine only. So already you know what is the formula for sine to x. What is the formula for sine to x? Sine to x is 2 sin x cos x. Formula cos x. And cos to x formula. There are 4 formula of cos to x. Cos to x. Cos square x minus sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. 2 cos square x minus 1, and the fourth formula 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Now, which formula you want apply? In the form of sine, that is 1 minus 2 sin square x into sin x. When you multiply, it become 2 sin x cos square x plus multiply with sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Now, what is the value of this formula? You know that sin square x plus cos square x 1. Then can you tell me cos square x? What is the value of cos square x? 1 minus sin square x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. When you simplify, it becomes 2 sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. When you simplify, 2 sin x plus sin x. 2 sin x plus sin x. 3 sin x. 3 sin x, and the minus 2 sin cube x and minus 2 sin cube x, that is 4 sin cube x. This is the formula for sin 3x. Sin 3x. Similarly you can prove this formula. Clear? Then your homework, revise this formula again and again, learn this formula. If okay, thank you.